Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Now today, we're going to be installing some new headlights on the 300. He's been having a lot of problems with both the headlights. The daytime running lights, they come on and they turn off by themselves. Like, sometimes this side works and that side doesn't, and then vice versa. We got blood in the house. And then his daytime, or his high beam and his low beam are on the same bulb, and the bulb isn't designed to switch like a dual filament bulb would. So when he turns the high beam on, it just cuts the power. So he bought some new headlights off of Amazon. Bro, your phone's telling you we arrived.
I got you. I'll take them out.
Take those hose out. Them hose clean. Look at these. Look at these. So it has the actual sequential turn signal and the full LED daytime running light with two different bulbs in it. So these are gonna look pretty fire on this car. I also told him to get these ones because, yeah, you can see these ones aren't made for this bumper. It has like the little circle part and it doesn't line up on this bumper at all. So that's why we got those. And I also picked up this right here. This is the sun right here. I think it's 18,000 lumens. Yeah, 18,000 lumen light, because it is about to get dark and his car ain't gonna fit in here. So we're gonna have like no light at all. It probably would like this wise, like wide wise, but it's not gonna fit up because there's like a little bit of a lip and his car is too low. Oh, I also bought a breaker bar because I didn't have a breaker bar and I was using my regular ratchet, and I completely just destroyed a ratchet doing that because I need to do my brakes pretty soon. So not looking forward to that. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into getting these headlights in because it's gonna be getting dark soon. And yeah, probably gonna set you guys up on the tripod, pull these off, and get to work. Alright guys, so we've run into many complications with this because the person who owned this car before him, they did a lot of sketchy stuff. So we got this headlight in. It looks a lot better. First off, it didn't come with the bulbs. The headlights did not come with the bulbs like they were supposed to. So that's an L. And then also, the wiring is all sorts of messed up. So just trying to figure that out. It's just a complete nightmare. And then the wiring for the switch is also kind of messed up. So what we're doing right now is probably tomorrow we're gonna go and get bulbs for it, and he's gonna be driving home with just one bulb. So I'm going to drive in front of him so he doesn't like crash and die, and I also want to be there if anything happens. Alright guys, so we're currently in Walmart right now looking at tools and stuff. We got the bulbs right here, we got the door panel like pin remover thing for the weird ass clips, and I'm also making him get the little socket set thing so we can try and put his shit back together at his house because I don't have any of my tools with me right now. But yeah, I think that's all we really need here for right now. Alright guys, so we're back at Gio's house right now. Holy shit, that is so bright. That is so bright, bro. But we got his shit to work. Got both the running lights on right now. We got the headlights in. We have to wire up high beams because the high beams were wired into the low beam wire. It's really weird. When we end up doing it, I'll show you. But we got the sequentials to work too. Oh, you can't even see it, bro. It is so bright. There you go. Yeah, you can see it. So you can see we got everything in. I'll show you once more and end the video off when it's light out so that you can actually like see it. But for right now, I'm so freaking happy with that. I thought this was going to be a multiple day ordeal and we got it out in one day. Alright guys, so we are back. It is another day now. It's a couple days later. We're actually at my other buddy's shop right now and he's helping me wire up the high beams because we got the low beams, the running lights, and the turn signals to work. And he's much more proficient with wiring than I am. I know literally nothing about wiring. I should not be wiring a car. But I trust in Aiden's skills. So he's going to be wiring up the high beams real quick for us, and hopefully they be working.
All right, you want to turn the
It's
Headlights on first and then high beams.
okay. So that should be regular, just headlights. And then, yeah. Huh? Alright. Yes. So that means we got low beams, high beams, running lights, turn signals.
I want them to be scorching hot when I'm trying to put them in. Holy.
Yes, we don't want you to melt the finger during this install.
My fingers are a lot more durable than plastic. It's just after
It's gonna hurt.
Yeah, after a certain point they start to hurt.
Yeah. Where's the weed lighter at?
The fucking split lighter. Oh yeah. It's like a cigar lighter. And you just squeeze them and then fucking all sealed because there's glue inside. And they don't come off.
Okay, we still have to figure out where the wires go and shit, but...
Whatever it is, it's for your running lights. Or the running lights on this.
So like when you turn the accessory lights on, do they come on?
When you turn the, when you turn basically his low beams on,
They come on?
They come on, yeah. Where there's power to them.
I mean, we could eventually trace it back to like where it's coming from and just get rid of it, right? Because he wants to hook the fog lights straight up to that one switch. So wouldn't it make sense to just get rid of that since it's just chilling there?
Yeah, just like what I'd need to do is like just probably cut it farther down. But just in case like he wants, just in case it might be easier, or even if he like wants to do just straight. It's always good to have this type of like just power and a ground up here just in case. But it's not hurting anybody having it up here. If anything, if he wants to fucking add something up here later, he has a power and a ground right there. At least that you're aware of.
Yeah. So we ended up fixing both high beams, the low beams, pretty much everything. So the headlights are all good to go right now. Only thing is we're thinking he needs a new switch because sometimes the switch works, sometimes they don't. Chryslers are known to have like really like sketchy switches and they're known to like fail. For now we're trying to figure out his TCM code. We're looking into if it's just that he has low tran fluid because it does look like he's leaking some. So we're currently trying to figure out how much is actually in it without a dipstick because you have to, for some reason you have to buy the dipstick. Like it doesn't just come with it. So he's getting brake line I think to like measure how far down it goes into like the pan and everything. And then after that, we're gonna see if we can add some and see if that'll take away our code. And if that does, then that's really good because it's one less thing that we have to worry about with this thing.
Fucking like hackery way of fucking checking it. I just want to see if there's anything in it.
So you're just gonna stick it down the hole?
Basically.
I mean,
I would definitely recommend him getting a dipstick, but like this is gonna be the most like, because if there's like nothing on this when I stick this all the way down there, because I don't know where the ad is or anything like that, so damn, this thing's still not there yet.
oh my god. Jesus Christ.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm fucking fine.
Okay, this is like,
Bro.
this has to be around 53.
How fucking big does a dipstick need to be? That's crazy. Bro's posted up with the measuring tape.
Yeah, exactly. It's probably a wild fucking sight to see. Okay. This is around here.
So stick that shit in the hole.
Yep, I just want to clean it off first.
God damn. Hey man, let me get a good angle.
Oh boy, I don't even think this stuff's gonna be bendy enough to get down in there. I don't think it is. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, just force it in.
I guess so. I feel so bad.
This is the craziest shit I've ever seen.
Come on, buddy.
A little harder.
Maybe that's it? It can't be. I don't think so, but Nope, it's definitely not all the way down. But actually, hold on. We're gonna go even crazier.
What?
We're gonna go to the Chevy part. We're gonna see how long the Chevy part is. Because I know this thing has a ridiculous amount of lipstick.
We're gonna get the Duramax dipstick in this hoe.
Real B. Actually, I can't say that. I keep feel like this thing's. That's no way. It's long enough. But
Where does it all go?
exactly.
It goes to fucking Narnia.
Well, this thing's long-ish. This thing's got transmission fluid on it.
It's the universal dipstick. That's what it is.
Oh, Chevy transmission fluid in there.
No.
The transmission will work too good.
Get some of that Allison fluid in there.
Come on, buddy.
That's not maxed out?
That's what I'm. Maybe it is just maxed out.
Maybe there's just no fluid in it at all.
That might be why. Oh, Shawty's milky.
That look like strawberry milk.
Oh, Shawty's burnt too.
Oh my god, that looks straight like strawberry milk.
That's not good.
Ain't no way, bro.
Apparently. Well, definitely.
So we found the issue.
He has transmission fluid, but I don't think that's very good. I don't think that's gonna help a solenoid shift right. Oh yeah, that's another thing to check.
The solenoid?
Yeah, going inside and pulling the pan, checking the solenoids, and that's where you have a transmission shop do that. Cause that shit is a fucking nightmare. Automatic transmission fluids look like a fucking UFO inside of them.
Yeah, I know. I've seen.
Like, I don't know how any of it works. It's like fucking little holes and shit.
So we are going to put this back. And
I mean,
come on.
okay, we found out it has something in it, but it's not good.
It's strawberry milk.
Yeah.
Burnt strawberry milk. Alright, you guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I wanted to finish off by showing you the actual headlights. So see if I can get it to focus. I don't know if it will. So you can see the daytime running light right there. That's the low beam. You got the high beams working as well. I'll show you the high beams real quick. So you got the high beams as well. Oh wait, they're not working now.
Huh?
What's happening? Alright guys, right now how we have it wired up is when you turn the high beams on, the low beams turn off, and when you turn the low beams on, the high beams turn off. We're eventually going to rewire it so that both turn on and the high beam is on. But you can kind of see, if I can get it to focus, see the daytime running light, and then obviously the high beam. I think the high beam's on right now. And then I will also show you the sequential turn signal. Yeah. So it looks really cool. He's gonna be really happy with it when I eventually bring it back to him tonight. He's sleeping right now, so he won't see it now. But I probably will get his reaction to it on camera so you guys can see as well. But that's where I'm going to be ending it off for today's video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.